Sorry for some disturbance. Actually, there was a cat. She came to me to meet me. So now, next, yeah, what we was discussing here, we're discussing here Russia. Okay, it's Russia. So the part of Russia is there is the Ural Mountain. All right, there's Saint Petersburg. It's Arctic Ocean. It's Asia, Sea of Japan, Sea of Okhotsk, and Caspian Sea is there, and there's the Black Sea and Caspian Sea. So, Moscow Gorky region. Moscow Gorky region, the oldest and greatest Soviet industrial region in the Russia. Moscow Gorky, and Moscow is the capital of Russia. Is a nodal point of the radiant pattern of the rail communication. That is the Moscow. Big textile center, also the major center of machine, chemical, and light industry. Moscow Tula region is the low-grade lignite coalfield. Moscow Tula region is the noted for its low-grade lignite coalfield. A part of 5 sea, the Baltic Sea, the Lake Ladoga, Arctic Ocean, Black Sea, and the Caspian Sea, which are connected to the rivers. So here's the Baltic Sea, then Lake Ladoga, then Arctic Ocean, then Black Sea, and the Caspian Sea. This is the part of Russia. So there is the Gorky Tula region. Gorky Tula region is the industrial and heavy engineering region in the Russia, and Ivanovo is a Manchester of Russia as the big textile center in Ivanovo. St. Petersburg is the strategic location at the entrance of Baltic Ocean. So this is the entrance of Baltic Ocean where this St. Petersburg is there, and situated on the coast of White Sea, which is Glaske. Arkha Glaske is the near the White Sea, and Murmansk is the Kola Peninsula situated in the Russia. Vladivostok is also in Russia near to the Arctic Ocean, and Petrozavodsk situated in the Lake Onega. Lake Onega is also in Russia, and a major center of the milling and timber. Volgograd is important city in Russia that is used for the hydel power scheme. They use the hydel power as that. The major center of construction in engineering. Now Ural region. Ural region is the important industrial region. There is the UFA, that is Ural region. Major center of oil refinery. Perm is the region in the Ural mountain, center of the oil refinery. And Tagil is in the Ural region for the iron ore, and Magnitogorsk, that is the southern Ural region, and Chelyabinsk, that is famous for iron ore, and Kuzbas region. Kuzbas region is the Serbia. Kuzbas region is in the western Serbia, Asiatic Russia, an extensive deposit of high-grade anthracite coal that is in Kuzbask region. Kuzbask region is there in the Serbia and Asiatic Russia. Extensive deposit of high grade of anthracite coal is found in the Kuzbask region. Novosibirsk is important station of Trans-Siberian Railway, and Novokuzbark is the major center of iron and steel. Okay, major textile in the Russia is also, and Krasnoyarsk is in the Yenisei river, has hydel power, and Irkutsk is there, that is the Lake Baikal is in the Irkutsk. Lake Baikal. Okay, Lake Baikal is in the region of Irkutsk, and Chemkovo is the footwear and chemical they we found in Chemkovo. City along the Pacific Ocean is the Vladivostok. Vladivostok is the city of east and situated along the coast of Sea of Japan. Okay, and last station of Trans-Siberian Railway, an important center of shipbuilding, that is Vladivostok, and Khabarovsk is center of agro machinery, and Komso, important center of ore milling. Ukraine is situated in the south of the Russia and Belarus, and north of Black Sea. So there is the Ukraine. Ukraine is the north of Belarus, that is the Ukraine. Okay, and Donetsk is the situated north of Black Sea, leading high grade bituminous coal we found there. Nikopol is the Dnieper river is there in Nikopol. Kerch is the Kerch Peninsula, that is the vanadium deposit we can found there. Rostov, important industrial city of manufacturing iron and steel. Crevol, Roche and Carco, that is famous for manufacturing. Now we are going to discuss next figure. Okay. So this is the Spain, you can see in this figure. Okay, in this figure we can see this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, this is the Mediterranean Sea, this is the Tyrrhenian Sea near to Mediterranean Sea. This is the Danube, okay, river Danube, Rhine river, Elbe river in this Germany. North Sea is there, English Channel is there, and Tagus river in Italy. Okay, and Adriatic Sea, sorry, Tiber river in the Italy and Tagus river in the Spain, sorry. Okay, and this is the Adriatic Sea, this is the Baltic Sea, and in between there is the Baltic Sea and North Sea, in between there is the Denmark. Alright, so Gulf of Riga is in Latvia, Gulf of Finland is Finland and Estonia in between, Gulf of Bothnia is in Sweden and Finland, Bothnia is in Sweden and Finland. So we should have idea about Bothnia, that is in SF, Sweden and Finland, that is Gulf of Bothnia. English Channel, France and Britain, Bay of Biscay, France and Spain. So France and Spain, in between the Bay of Biscay there. Gulf of Lions lies in the south of France. South of France there is a Gulf of Lion. Mediterranean Sea, it's a like there is a Tiber river in Italy, Rhone river in France, and Ebro river in Spain. Rhine in is Japan, but Rhone in France. And Ebro river is like Elbe river in Germany, but Ebro river in Spain. Separate Europe from Africa, state of Gibraltar connected to the Adriatic Ocean. Okay, Europe from Africa, which is Mediterranean Sea. This separate the Europe from Africa, and state of Gibraltar connected to the Atlantic Ocean. So there is a Mediterranean Sea that separate Europe from Africa. Europe from Africa, that separates the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and Mediterranean Sea, Europe from Africa, and it's connected Atlantic Ocean. Mediterranean Sea connected to Atlantic Ocean. Strait of Gibraltar is there, who connect the Atlantic Ocean to Mediterranean Sea. Okay, White Sea is the North Russia and Arctic Ocean. Okay, Gulf of like Lake of Onega and Divina Magen, that is there. North Sea. Now North Sea white in the Baltic Sea. Okay, and Baltic Sea in the Vistula order, like Atlantic Ocean. Baltic Sea is in the Atlantic Ocean. So first of all, Baltic Sea. So Baltic Sea is in the Atlantic Ocean. Now North Sea. So North Sea is the part of white continental shelf of North Sea called the Dogger Bank. Dogger Bank is the largest fishing area of the North Sea, one of the most productive region of the fishing. North Sea is the connected to Baltic Sea through Kiel Channel. This is the Kiel Channel. This I discussed before. The what is the Kiel Channel? Kiel Channel is connecting to the North Sea. So North Sea is connecting to the Baltic Sea with the Kiel Channel. North Sea and Baltic Sea connecting both of them to the Kiel Channel, and Elbe and Weser. Elbe in Germany and Rhine in the Netherlands. Rhine is in Germany and Netherlands. Okay, and Elbe and Weser river is in Germany. Now Northern Sea is the connecting to the Baltic Sea with the Kiel Channel. So Kiel Channel is very important here. In the current affair, many times this Kiel Channel comes. So that connects the Baltic Sea and North Sea. This is the North Sea, we can see, and there is the Baltic Sea. Here in between there is the Kiel Channel. Okay. Now Adriatic Sea, like Irish Sea, that is part of the Ireland and Great Britain and Atlantic Ocean. Adriatic Sea, part of the Italy and Mediterranean Sea, and Po in the Italy Adriatic Sea. Ionian Sea, that is lie between the Greece and Italy and Mediterranean Sea. Here is the Ionian Sea. This is the Italy, this is the Greece. So this part there is the Ionian Sea is there. Okay, and Black Sea that separates the Europe from Asia. As we discussed before that Europe from Africa, which sea? Mediterranean Sea. As similar that separates Europe from Asia, which sea? Black Sea. Okay, Sea of Azov that is in southern of Ukraine and northern of Black Sea, and there is the Don River. Sea of Azov, where that is? In Ukraine. Sea of Azov in the Ukraine and the northern of Black Sea. Sea of Marmara in the west of Black Sea. Sea of Marmara in the west of Black Sea, that is the Sea of Marmara, connects the Black Sea with Aegean Sea. So Sea of Marmara connects the Black Sea with the Aegean Sea. Alright, name of important state, that is the Gibraltar, connects Europe to Africa and Mediterranean Sea to Atlantic Ocean, that is the state of Gibraltar. State of Bonifacio thus connects Sardinia to Corsica and Tyrrhenian Sea to Mediterranean Sea, state of Bonifacio. State of Messina that connects Sicily to Italy and Tyrrhenian Sea to Mediterranean Sea. State of Otranto, that Italy and Balkan Peninsula, Adriatic Sea and Ionian Sea. Bosphorus Strait, that Istanbul, Anatolia Peninsula, Turkey, that is important, Bosphorus Strait. Bosphorus Strait is there. Okay, this Bosphorus Strait connect the Istanbul to Anatolia. So Strait of Bosphorus connect the Istanbul to Anatolia in Italy and Black Sea to Sea of Marmara. Black Sea to Sea of Marmara connect with the Bosphorus Strait. What is that? Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. So there is the Bosphorus Strait in between Black Sea and Marmara. State of Kerch in the Ukraine and Russia. There is the Strait of Kerch. Okay, and Dardanelles Strait, there is Balkan Peninsula and Anatolia. So what is that? Dardanelles Strait. Dardanelles Strait is there in the Balkan and Anatolia. State of Dardanelles Strait is Balkan Peninsula and Anatolia Peninsula, Marmara and Aegean. So Dardanelles Strait is Balkan Peninsula and Anatolia. Okay. So what we discussed, I think that was the important point. This was my second video for this important points. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will discuss one more lecture on that.